Hello everyone, this tutorial is regarding the Adhoc testing. In this, we are going to discuss why we need to perform the Adhoc testing with an example, and when we are doing the smoke testing and all these things with an example. Now first I'm going to explain what is Adhoc testing. Adhoc testing is used when we are doing the any application randomly without going through the requirement, known as Adhoc testing. Like if I gone through any application, I didn't go on any requirement, I'm going to check the application with the negative scenario, and like how it's behaving with the negative scenario, it's generating correct error message or not. These kind of things we are going to proceed randomly, which are not mentioned into the requirement. We are going to use the application randomly, and it is also known as the negative testing, gorilla testing, and monkey testing. Now the question arises, why we need to perform the ad hoc testing? Because client can use the application anyway as he want to use. He can use the application randomly. He can use the application anyway. That's why we need to perform the ad hoc testing. I just want to explain with an example. Like I give the application to the any product company and any service company. I mention my requirement, but when I get the application, I'm just going through the application randomly without going through my requirement, like the how's the application is behaving. For proceeding giving to the client to the application, we are testing the application, like how is it behaving when we going through the randomly testing. That's why we need to perform the ad hoc testing. For example, we are using the Amazon application. We are logging into the application, select the product, add to cart, and move to the payment page and check when we press back it is rendering to the cart page or not. But when we are going to the requirement document, they mention when user is on the payment page, they will able to fill the details and proceed. But it is not mentioned when user press back what is happen. For checking the behavior of the application with the random data, it need to perform the ad hoc testing. I hope you are clear with that. And now we are going to discuss when we going to proceed with the ad hoc testing. When we are doing the smoke testing, we are not doing the ad hoc testing. Once we're done with the smoke testing, then that time we will proceed with the component. After the component, we need to perform the integration testing. After the integration testing, we will proceed with the system testing. When all the testings are done, after that, before giving to the software client, we need to perform the ad hoc testing. So, now you are clear when we need to perform the ad hoc testing. When we are done all the testing, then we need to perform the ad hoc testing. In this way, we will go not gone through the requirement. We are randomly test the application. This is all about the ad hoc testing. Thank you.